How are you doing, folks? James right here, Junior Sales Executive over at BMW Joe Duffy Charlestown, and today I have this mint condition 181 BMW 3 Series 318i SE. Let's take a quick look around her. She comes in this jet black metallic paint finish with the BMW LED front lights, the iconic BMW kidney grille with the silver trim. Coming around to the side, you have the BMW spoked alloys on run flat tyres. The black trim surrounding the windows, the shark fin aerial up top. Come around to the back, you have the BMW 318i badging, the rear LED tail lights, the automatic boot, just a simple click of the key fob and she'll pop open. The rear parking sensors are also equipped. Yeah, let's take a quick look at the interior and some of the specs on this 318i. Now folks, over inside you can see the multifunctional BMW sports steering wheel, the BMW iDrive system that allows you to control the BMW teleservice. This system has features such as enhanced Bluetooth communication, sat-nav navigation, connective drive and many other features. Also on board are the rear parking sensors, the manual transmission. This car is also fitted with a sports mode, comfort mode and an Eco Pro mode. The interior comes in an oyster white Dakota leather with a dark wood trim finish surrounded by a platinum trim. You have fully electric windows, automatic headlights, rain sensing wipers, air conditioning, the DAB tuner radio, the BMW SOS service system, the manual handbrake, the real-time traffic information, the armrest, cruise control with brake function and many other features. Yeah folks, that was just a quick look around this 181 BMW 3 Series 318i SE. If you have any questions about this car or any other car in our fleet, please do not hesitate to contact us at BMW Joe Duffy Charlestown. Thank you very much for watching. My name is James Power and I hope you enjoyed this video.